Welcome to this video. This video is a short video that will show you how you can get your product set up and more to do with a payment processor. So if you're going to sell a product online, this will help you if you're thinking of selling a product online and you haven't got it created but you're wondering about how to take payments. And I'm going to give you my suggestions and 4 websites as well to check out, 4 services. There's loads of them out there, so you're not stuck at all. But I'm going to show you the 4 ones that I actually have experience with all of these, and I'm going to tell you the pros and cons. And the main thing is, when you're actually selling your product, you're going to want to have a payment processor. And what I mean by that is, you can get set up and you can just use a PayPal account. So you could just sell an ebook or sell a course online and just have your PayPal account. But I don't recommend doing that for lots and lots of reasons. You really want to get set up with a payment processor so you can edit the checkout page and you can put some branding there and you can manage things, especially with online products. When it's a sort of ebook or video course, you don't want them going straight through to PayPal as a rule for your business. It might be okay for testing, but when you got set up, I'm going to show you the sort of services that you should look into. If you're interested in building your own product and you've no idea where to start, or you're getting confused with how to market it, how to get traffic, how to actually build the product, how to do the sales page, things like that, do check out the link in the description. It will give you a free 4-day course that will go through the main parts of it so you understand how to do all of that stuff. And the other thing you can do is there's a webinar in that 4-day course, totally free, and it will go into explicit detail about your own product and things that you need to know and all of that stuff. So do check that out. And in this video, I'm going to show you the payment processors. So let's whiz through it. The first one you should check out is ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketplaces for online products. So when you're thinking about selling a product, it's very easy to use ClickBank. I'll just go to any product here just so you can see. So like Piano for All, I'll just show you what I mean. So you could set up a product, you could have the product ready, the sales page and everything, and then you can use ClickBank and put the product on ClickBank. And what they will do is they'll give you a special link for your order form. I'll just go for, here we go. So you can see here, add to cart, and you can set up multiple products on there, different price points. And the main difference, as opposed to just using PayPal or something like that, is this. When we add it to the cart, you get a proper checkout. You get a ClickBank logo here if you're on ClickBank. The other cool thing is they actually handle all refunds and stuff like that. Now there is you do have to read up on, there's like a 60-day return policy with ClickBank that you're not going to get out of, so you have to fit in with their rules. But one of the great things is it takes some of the pressure away from you. You still have to be conscious of what you're selling, but it will allow you to take credit cards and it will allow you to take PayPal because it's all done through ClickBank. Okay, and then you receive the payment in your ClickBank account, but it's all done through ClickBank, and ClickBank will pay you straight into your bank or by check. The other benefit of setting it up on ClickBank is you see down here, you can actually have affiliates where they get a link and they can start promoting for you as well, so you can get more sales that way. So ClickBank's the go-to if you want to set it up and you want to have affiliates and you want to get exposure for your product. It's well worth checking out ClickBank. The second the second sort of service that you can look into, and there's other ones out there, but these are the ones I've personally used, is Kajabi. Okay, so Kajabi, the difference is with Kajabi is this is if you're going to sell in-house products. So say if you're selling an ebook but you want to sell more than one product, maybe have memberships, maybe set it up around your entire brand, and you don't want to be linked to ClickBank, or you don't particularly want to get affiliates apart from the ones that you approve and stuff like that. If you want to have it like your brand, this is the one to go to. Now, or a service like this. Now this actually gives you some benefits of having You can set up the memberships on there. You can set up the sales pages. You can set up the website all within Kajabi. You can even set up quizzes and surveys and landing pages and funnels and events and email automations. So this is like a all-in-one solution. You can also collect payments, no transaction fees. Now if you get set up on ClickBank, you will have a transaction fee for using their service. So if you didn't want transaction fees, you can do that. The pros of this is it's fantastic for beginners, very, very easy to set up, because you can just do your sales page, do the membership, point and click, without needing any other plugins or expensive software and things like that. But you will pay for it. You know, you're not going to get any of the fees, but you can see here that basic for free products will cost you $119 a month. And then, so this is more for people, this one especially, 15 products, 15 pipelines. This is more for people that are serious and have products that are, you know, where you're selling more than the actual cost. So if you're just starting out with your very, very first ebook and so on, you probably wouldn't set it up on here. If you getting set up and you know what you're doing and you know how to send traffic, paid traffic and all of that stuff, this is fantastic. Or for anyone that wants all in one. Okay. The next one, really, really good. So this is very, very similar to Kajabi. This is called Kartra, and this is actually really, really good for beginners because it's relatively inexpensive. I'll just show you. So trial. Let's see if we can get, it's quite hard to find the pricing on here, but you get everything: checkout, leads, pages, automation. You can have affiliates, and it works out. They do have a trial. I think off the top of my head it's 14 days the trial. You've also got product demo, so you could see inside here and see exactly what it does.
Hello everybody, and
so I won't play the video, but you can see here flashing up, it's all point and click, and you can set it up, and you can set up your landing pages, and you can get reports, and you can even set up automation. So the main benefit of that is instead of needing another email autoresponder or anything like that, you can get everything set up inside Kartra. So that's a really, really good one. Another option for you, let's say you just wanted the payment processor, okay? So you could use PayPal, you could use something like PayKickstart. Now PayKickstart is something I use with all of my products and services, and I've got a lot of experience with PayKickstart, but this will more focus on just the checkout page, setting up the products, whether you want to do upsells, you can have pop-up order forms. It's really, really good. You can have multiple currencies. You can even have your checkout page translated to multiple languages. You can add in tax informations, VAT. So it's really, really good. But this is more focused on just if you want the checkout page. So this starts out relatively inexpensive. You know, if you're just getting started out, you could get this for $29 a month, and you'll be able to list 5 products, 0% transaction fees, and you can add coupons and do all of this stuff with it, and it's really, really good. This one is the most popular because you've got unlimited products that you can sell, and it's very, very easy to set up, and then you get some additional stuff on the premium as well. So they're the sort of services. You can search for more by typing in things like landing page software, checkout software, and that's what I recommend doing, having one of them. So if you were going to go, easiest is ClickBank and Kartra, and more intensive, if you want everything in one place, would be Kajabi for a higher price, but it does everything. And then if you're just getting started and you just need something to make you a nice checkout page, you could use PayKickstart, and that will do that for you. So you'll have all reports, so you can see how many people actually viewed your checkout page, and you can create really nice checkout pages like this as well, and do lots of different things, get your full reports on it, and you can even do trials and payment plans, and a whole library of checkout templates you can use. So it's really, really good. So it's just picking which one you want to do. But check out your free course below if you're interested in building products or everything to do with how to create your own product, and that will give you everything you need and a free webinar to show you how to do this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you really soon. Cheers guys.